Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to continue to solve the first question in exercise 5.1. So the last video, we solved the first two subdivision in this question. So we will do the third and the fourth sum in this question right now. So let us look at the problem. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging. So this is what we're looking at as AP. When it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and raises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So now let us see for the first meter, the cost is going to be equal to rupees 150. Now, for the second meter is going to cost 150 plus 50, which is equal to 200. For the third meter, we are going to have 200 plus 50 because for every meter you get an additional charge. So 200 plus 50, which is 250. Now you look at the numbers 150, 200, 250, and it keeps going as you dig. So now let us see the common difference between the first and the second term is going to be 50. The same common difference exists between the second and the third term. So this is an AP. Now let us look at the next subdivision in this problem. The amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So let us start with compound interest. See, the first year I deposit an amount of rupees 10,000. So the beginning of my deposition, the amount I have is 10,000. At the end of 1 year, this amount would have increased it to 10,000 plus the interest that is given by the bank. So let us calculate the interest. Remember, compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100, the whole power n minus P. So this minus P is just to indicate the calculation of compound interest. Since the principal is also 10,000, I don't need to perform this minus P because this together will be computed as P into 1 plus R by 100, the whole power n. So let's do the substitution. Now P is 10,000. So 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8%. So 8 by 100, the whole power. Remember, this is the first year. So this is going to be raised to the power 1. So 10,000 into, after I take LCM, this becomes 108 by 100. So I strike out two of these zeros. This is 108 followed by two zeros. So here, after the end of first year, I'm going to get rupees 10800, which means I get an interest of 800. My principal remains. So the total amount after the end of first year is rupees 10800. Now this is the beginning. So let me mark this as beginning of the deposit. Now the second year. Let us calculate what is going to be the interest I incur at the second year. Remember, this is compound interest, which means my principal is now 10,800. So 10,800 into 1 plus 8 by 100, the whole power 1 only. Why? Because I am going to calculate the interest for the next year. So for the duration period is still 1. It is 1 plus 8 divided by 100, the whole power 1. So this is 10800 into another 108 by 100. So this is, I strike out the 0 here. So essentially we are computing 108 the whole square, which is equal to rupees 11664. So now let us see. I started with the 10,000. So I'm noting down these numbers. So it started with 10,000. Then it went on to become 10,800. Now it is 11,664. So if you need to be very sure, you can compute it once more, but this time principal is going to be 11,664 into 108 by 100. This you need to do only if you're not very sure how this transition happens. So you know that is going to be the interest at the end of the third year. So let us look. 10,000 and 800 has a difference of 800 as a common difference. Now between the second and the third term, you see a difference which is not 800. Therefore, this is not an 8. Okay, you don't even need to compute the third interest, but if you want to be really sure, you can do one more calculation, but you are definitely going to see that this is not an AP. With this, we close the first sum in this exercise. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second sum in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.